Evening, students. How are you?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Not hearing you, Dominic.
No, I said good evening. You're not hearing me?
Oh, no,
Good
I'm
evening.
still hearing you. It's all right. Let me disconnect it. Talk again, Monique.
Good evening.
All
Hearing me
right.
now?
I hear you loud and clear.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to give you guys a few to come in before I come back. All right. So I'm going to mute.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And good evening to the rest of you too. You what, Enrico, Priscilla.
Good night, sir.
All right, so good evening again. To those who I have met before, and for those who are just joining, before I give my greetings, big up on yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, man, what on? Out on the weather.
Is that Dana?
What is that, Dana?
Oh, did he say Dana or did he say someone else?
And I said, how was the weather?
Oh,
No, it's
just
all right. Talk to
normal.
me. No,
No
no, talk to
rain.
me. No rain. All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we had a little bit of rain earlier on today, but it is going on in. We expect it to get worse, but just praying that we don't have any loss of lives, loss of property, loss of livelihood, livestocks, and the whole stuff. And of course, importantly, I don't want to lose electricity. Oh my goodness, how would I manage? I'd rather not have water, but have electricity. But anyhow, that's just me. All right, so we're good otherwise, guys. There are 28 of us here. Talk to me.
Oh, sir,
Sure,
man,
it's
alright. Man, I get the
sure,
binomials.
You know, get the binomials. Okay.
sure.
Yes, please.
Yeah, we never get the normally we don't get the what you call that?
Recording.
Yeah, the Zoom something we that getting our email when the class done.
You didn't get it this time?
Nope.
That is out of my control. That is directly ICT.
We not get that this time. Cause me did want to look back on the binomials and never get that.
Yeah, that is totally out of my. Sorry, that is totally out of my control. That is normally generated by ICT. Um, anybody downloaded the whiteboard? You can just drop it in the chat here so that others can have a copy of it, please? And I'm hearing a recurring theme. Sure, me don't get the binomial. What about the binomial that you don't get? No. Why am I feeling this way now? I was good all of today. All right. Okay. Oh dear, what am I looking for? If I can find it. Today's Thursday. And the 23rd, is it 23rd, 21st?
23rd.
Right. Uh, mhm. Right, I need to learn how to do that. Um, I don't know how to switch to the other Zoom. Did anybody download the Zoom stuff? The whiteboard?
Sir, but how me that even share it too now?
Um, all right, hold on. Hold on. You see, I'm using two different Zooms. That's my challenge. All right, I'm coming. I'm using two different Zooms because I had those business calculus students on my personal Zoom because we're having class before Excelsior Zoom. Can't give access. What am I looking for, Lord? Okay. Mm, participants. I don't want the participants. I want. No. Why would I want to do that?
Sir, is it the link that says meeting assets?
Yes, please.
I'm sending it in the chat now.
Thanks, my love.
There it is.
Cool, thanks. You are such an asset to the class. Haha.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Crap. So I was hoping that it wouldn't give me this. No.
Sarah, why you sound like a sick so?
I'm saying the whole of today I was fine, and no, I'm sounding very nasal. I mean, the
Oh.
whole of today I was fine. I just sneezed a while ago, and then no, I'm feeling very nasal, and I'm sounding very nasal. Judge of, and today I was up and about.
Sir, we had a problem.
Sarah, I think it's the overall you getting up at 5 and all these things, it kind of catch up with you.
My dearest, trust me, it is exactly what it is. And I'm so happy that it's done now, so I can, and funny enough, as I said that, the exam was, when did I have class with you? On Tuesday? Today's Thursday? Yeah, the students did exam on Tuesday. Say yesterday me get up same time like me I get up for teaching at the 5 o'clock bells. And this morning me get up the same time like me I teaching at the 5 o'clock
Yeah,
bells.
because
So
your
no,
body used to getting
my
up at
body,
that hours.
that is a problem. So I have to now go train my body now too. And one thing will be nice is when my head them open me say my prayers, I can't lay down on the bed. I have to get up. So Oh yeah, yeah. I'm sorry, not Priscilla. I received the stuff, but guess what? No,
Yes, sir.
it is giving me something about I have to go sign into something to get something on. All right, what I wanted to do, what I wanted to do is just to show you. No, that's calculus. Just to show you the calculus was Wednesday, so it would be.
This can open. I click on. Oh, okay then. Total load on.
That's right. That's right. That's right. So that's what it was giving me as well, and it All right. So I see it here now. Let me see if it can open from my Google Chrome. Oh, see, it is giving me foolishness. Google, come on, no, don't do this to me. Okay. Are you see my screen?
Not
Oh,
yet, sir.
No, sir.
you know, see my screen? Wait, oh, go on. Um, are you seeing it now?
Yes, sir.
All right, hold on 1 minute, please.
Sorry, Ata. Me not hear nothing.
So, none of you heard nothing that I said a while ago?
No,
No, sir, it was on
Yes,
mute.
sir, it was muted.
Come see your type of go away and nowhere.
I'm really not feeling well at all. Wow. So nothing that I said at all you heard. Jeez,
No,
sir, nothing.
Oh goodness. This was a senior moment. Oh my goodness. All right. So
sir,
let me see.
start run.
Yeah. So yeah, man. Trust me. Oh, you know.
Sir, I kind of noticed something here, sir, right?
Uh-huh.
Why are 7 1 here, so? I never 6 1 supposed to there.
Yeah, but I just put in this one here a while ago. But don't worry about this line here. So what I was saying to you, that why I put that one in green, I can't believe that you weren't hearing me. Why I put this one in green, I was just saying to you that the exam, what I was saying to you while I was muted, is that the exam, the questions will only go from 3 to 5. Only go
Okay,
from 3 to
okay.
5. But I put in this one here because I was showing you how I got it. But of course, clearly I failed because none of you heard. So let's go now. We always start with the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 10 is 15. 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 plus 1 is 6. And I put back the 1. They're all palindromes. Anybody remember to look up what palindromes are? To find, we gave 2 words, race car and level. And you're supposed to find something else. Anybody found anything else? All right. I guess that's a no because you didn't remember to do the homework. All right, no problem. So what I was saying to you is I won't necessarily go through how it is that we derive Pascal since we did that the last time around. When the recording is uploaded, you can go and watch that one. What I want you to do for me is to make sure that you get what it is that we are saying right here. And what it is that I'm saying here is you must know the coefficients. And Pascals is easy to generate in the exam. Pascals is easy to generate in the exam. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Easy, easy.
Start the way you do a while ago with the red dots, them, you know. Let me see where that up.
Say it again.
Nah,
Do it over.
tough, Jesus. Oh, I was saying, should I do it? I say 1 2 1, blah, 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 blah.
So 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. How I got this 10? How I got this 10? It is the 4 and the 6 added together to give me this 10.
Oh, okay, okay. And then the other, the 6 and the 4 right here. So again, to get the
Give me
10.
this 10, right.
And then
And
the
the
4 and
4
the
and the 1
1.
to give me the 5.
Okay, okay, okay.
And how I got this 20 is these 2 add together. How I get the 15 are them 2 here.
Okay.
So watch what I'm doing here
Sir,
now. Go ahead, please.
you know what my problem, sir? I don't know if you can cuss me.
Mm-hmm.
But you see, I don't know how you get the how you get the wait name, the powers. I know when you add them there no, you get the base. But like say I say A plus B all to the sixth power. I understand how
Mm-hmm.
you get 1, 6, 15. But what I don't understand is why you put A to the 6 and then the next one the 6 you put A to the 5
All right,
and
don't worry
B to
about
the
that.
1.
Don't worry about that. I mean, that's the example that I'm going to go into next. I
Alright,
soon give you that, Jody. Just focus. Don't get distracted, right? But that's where I'm going to go now.
alright.
Cool. So, I don't know if that was Anne Marie or Priscilla, but asking about it, don't know how I get the 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2.
That was
1,
me, sir.
okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Put my 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 10. 10, 5, 1. This didn't take me 30 seconds.
Yes, sir. Just say you got it now,
Sure?
sir.
Good job. All right. So, having seen that, Having seen that, oh, but this is so strange though. I was here all of today and everything was fine. I don't know why I'm feeling like this. Me soon gonna make some tea here, guys, because I don't like how, anyhow, it's alright, I'll be fine. Let's go. So Jody, so we're gonna talk about an example now to see how we apply this. So example, and I want everybody to to pay attention here, please. I want everybody to pay attention here. I'm making up an example. And my example is going to be expand 3x minus 2 raised to the 5th power using...
One, how did I do last? The homework one.
Yeah, I will do that. I'll do that. I'm just making up this one here. Expand 3x minus 2 to the 5th using Pascal's triangle. Watch me. I don't want anybody to write. Watch your screen. I'll give you time to write it afterwards. I just want to see what is happening. When you see this using Pascal's triangle, it means that you have to use Pascal's. If them say using Pascal's triangle, you can't use anything else but Pascal's. Then, sir, you're talking like there's another method to use. Absolutely. That's the method I wanted to move into tonight. But because you didn't catch this one so fully, I'm going to go through this once more. If they said to use Pascal's and use the other method, you can get 0 even if the question is right. Because they're going to say that you didn't follow their instructions. You cannot do as you please. You have to follow the instruction. You have to follow the instruction. Watch me. The first thing I'm going to do is to write the coefficients. COE 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So how you know the 5 one is the one with the 5 is supposed to use? The second number in it tells us what power we're talking about. See here? That 5, the second one in it tells us that that's the coefficient we're talking about. All right? So 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Watch me. One has to descend first before the other one ascends. One has to descend before the other one ascends. Watch me. Coefficient first, 1. The first term, 3x to the 5th power. I don't have to write negative 2 to the 0. But for the purpose of somebody who is looking on, let me put it there. All right? Let me put it there. Now, let's go. Remembering that the sum of the overall powers must be equal to the power that I'm starting with. And the power that I'm in is...
5.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm still here. All right, who is Laurier? You need to put your full names, please, guys. I need to have first and last name always. Um, for your for the purposes of my records. So whenever you are coming in, Lori, please. Shaki, you keep coming in without your last name though.
Sir,
You need
because
to
I cannot change it on my phone.
say it again.
I cannot change it on my phone.
All right.
Sir, you said Laurie?
Yeah.
Sir, it's Peter again. I don't know why it keeps on coming up as Laurie though.
All right. So for next class, you need to set up your Zoom properly so that you have your government name on. It's important for me to know who it is that I'm interacting with in the class setting, please. All right. Peter, what's your last name?
Richards.
And this thing here is not even giving me. All right. Okay. I see what is happening here. I'm not the host. All right. So let's go. Let's continue. So we have, so we're finished with the first term. We're finished with the first term. What is going to be very important for us to have now is the second term. So it's 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. We've completed 1. So we're looking at the second term plus first coefficient 5. Now the 3x is raised to the 5th power. What do you think? Jody, this is yours. What am I going to raise 3x to now?
The 10 power?
If I clap you, you're 10.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I don't be it.
Right, sir.
4.
Yeah, count back way now.
The
5,
fifth, the
4.
fourth power.
The 4th power. Hey,
But we
Jody,
don't
me say,
know come back way.
Basically, you counting back way.
remember, Jody, I said,
Oh,
when,
sir, wait. Before you tell me, we are trying to add up back to be 5.
yeah.
Because 4 was 5 I will start off with.
So
So we
that
are
means,
trying to add back to
so you know, it's a 10 couldn't be that, don't?
Right, I know that. Everything that
All
was
right.
said. I think I'm
Good.
not saying.
All right, good. No, you have sense, man, but it's just that you're not paying attention, man. All right, so this -2 is going to be raised to what now?
1.
Good job, because 4 plus 1 is 5. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
All right, come, let's go again now. So we're finished with the second coefficient. We're moving on to the third coefficient now. This is going to be 10. Now, my 3x is going to be raised to what?
3.
Good job. And my -2 is raised to what?
2.
Big up on yourself. I'm moving to
Oh,
the next
sir.
coefficient, 10. It's
Sir,
so
them
easy it
know
is?
this then.
Yeah, no, I'm not trying easy, man, but you're trying not pay attention. You do all heap of things. That's why I now see it. 3x raised to
No,
how much now?
2,
Good
2.
job. And the -2 is raised to?
3.
Good job. Because every time you write the powers, as you're writing the powers, you must ensure that it adds up to 5. If it not add up to 5, it say totally wrong. All right? And then we finished at 10, and then we're moving on now to 5. 3x raised to the what now?
1,
Good job. And -2 to the?
4,
4.
Good job. And then now we're going to the 1. 3x raised to what now?
0,
Tio. Very nice.
And
3x.
-2.
and then 5.
And then negative,
Yes,
and then
sir.
5 is going to be the 2. Very good.
-2 raised to 5.
Yes, Jody. What? Me know you catch it no,
You
man.
know what? Just
Yeah.
now figure it out.
Me know
You
you catch
see,
it no,
I don't
man.
get everyone. A good thing
Be
someone said
proud.
something more.
Me
No,
know
a
you catch
long
it no,
time,
man.
a long time, a long time, me I say to Jody.
No,
Yeah, cause, you know, sorry, say, my text in a group, I'ma say, I don't want to ask sir, because I don't want him cuss me, but he can't explain to me. Oh, and sir, all of them can't explain, I not get it.
And guess what? Me want to cuss you now, but I just rub you out a little bit, and then after that, not tell you, because I want you to catch it. But that's it. That's all that there is to it. Just look at the sequence pattern, and once you get the sequence here, you're good to go. I promise you. I promise you. All right, let's go now. What we now need to do is just to evaluate all of this. So pretty much Pascal's triangle is finished, you know. The big school mathematics finished right there. So all that is going to be left now is the little school math. And the little school
Is what the
math.
calculation?
Yes, I.
Okay.
Yes, I. All right, so come work with me. Let me do the calculation with you. Anything raised to the power 0 is
1.
good job. So this is going to be 1 times
So you're writing?
I
Oh.
am. Yeah, it's just at a pen giving me some issue. All right, so 3 raised to the 5th power equals what? 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81, 81 times 3 is
81 times 3, sir.
243.
243. So do me a favor now. Put in your calculator 3 and
On the
raise that to
calculator.
and then raise it to the 5th power for me. Because this is how I want you to do it in the exam. 3, and then you're going to look for the upside down V and press 5, or you're going to look for the X to the Y or Y to the X and press 5 equal, and tell me what answer comes up.
Sir, what did you say? We should put in 3?
3, and then you're going
And
to
the
press
V?
the upside down V, right?
Mhm.
And then you're going to press 5
5.
equal
240. 243.
243 is correct. So that's how we get it. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81, and 81 times 3 is 243. Right? So that's 243. But it's not just the 3 that you're raising to the 5th power. You're also raising 5 x to the 5th power. So that's just going to be 243 x to the 5th.
X to the 5th, yeah.
Good job. And of course, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So I put my 1 there. And then plus now, the second term is going to be 5. 3 raised to the 4th power is 81. So this is going to be 81 x to the 4th, because remember, it's everything that we're raising. And negative 2 to the 1st power is simply negative 2.
Mm-hmm.
The next one is going to be plus 10. Come on. Plus 10. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So this is going to be 27 x cubed. And negative 2 times negative 2 is going to be positive 4. It's going to be positive 4. And then we're moving on to the next term. We're going to have 10. What is 3x all squares equal to?
9x.
9x squared is correct. 9x squared is correct. And then no. Negative 2 to the 3rd power is going to be equal to a negative 8. Remember, when I raise a negative number to an odd power, I'm going to have a negative result. And then 5 times 3x to the 1st power is simply 3x. And negative 2 to the 4th power, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Plus 1.
Sir.
Go ahead. Go ahead, please. Talk to me now, Ethan.
Sir, never mind.
Okay, cool. And then now 3x to the 0 is going to be 1, so that's 1. And negative 2 to that is going to be negative 32. Now, the more we do these questions, the more you'll understand. I mean, the more you'll know how to evaluate these indices.
So,
Right?
sir,
So
question. You should have write the coefficients in a one different color.
I have no problem. I can do that.
Do that, sir. But remember, we're going to write it afterwards. Sir,
Yes, please.
okay. So you said that
I'm
you
hearing
said
you.
that when the power is if the power is odd and there's a negative number in the bracket, it's going to be negative,
If the base is odd, if the base is negative, if the
and the
base is
power is odd,
right.
it's gonna turn out to a negative answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the
Eh,
even is gonna be positive. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Every time, every single time. So here how I normally see it. When I raise a negative number to an odd power, my result is always negative. When I raise a positive number to any power, my result is going to be positive. But when I raise a negative number to an even power, my result is going to be positive. All right. So once I raise a
Sir,
negative,
hold on, because that no, hold on. So maybe I'm not looking at the right place. That's why I'm not understanding.
watch me,
Right.
watch me, watch me, watch me. Once I raise a negative number to an odd power, my result is going to be negative. If I raise a negative number to an even power, my result will be positive. Can you see that?
Sir, and when
Talk to
odd power is the number that two cannot go into without leaving a remainder, right?
the odd power is like 13579.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right. Are you seeing what I'm talking about now?
sir. Make me right.
So once I raise a negative number to an odd power, my result is going to be negative. And once I raise it to an even power, the result is going to be positive. Every single time. Every single time.
Sir, so that can put in on the calculator without get an error.
You can, but you'd have to put it in parentheses. But you don't really need to do that, you know. But anyway, you can go ahead. But you have to put it into parentheses. If you don't put it into parentheses, your calculator is going to give you a wrong answer. So you remember, you always put those things in the parentheses.
Sir, we can ask you a question again, of course.
Sure.
What you talk when you say when you put it into parentheses?
I was about to say something, Jody. A Truma wants some bright, me say parentheses, a brackets here. Parentheses and brackets are the same thing, but Truma wants some bright, me to say parentheses. But they're the same thing like brackets, man.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Okay.
Jesus, Jody said, don't cuss, sir. Jody, my cussing up. By the way, my
Yes,
cussing up
Anne
class.
Marie, Anne Marie.
Sorry. No, but Jody said she never want my cuss neither.
Yes, sir, can't you know Mr. Blasty? Yeah. Just everything I come slap me up.
You know? When my students know them teacher, them supposed to, and say, a group of students said to me, sir, so you're kind of cool, sir, but why, sir? When we not do your work, sir, you get dark. I say, like midnight, right? No, man, I don't play when we have our downtime in class, we'll go to. But when I serious time, serious time. Anyhow, so I put the coefficients as requested in a different color, so you can see my coefficients. All right, I'm going to evaluate these now. Come, so I want to watch me now. I want to watch me. 1 times 243 x to the fifth times 1 is 243 x to the fifth. 243 x to the fifth. I want to watch me here now, because this is where I'm going to need your help. This is where I'm going to need your help. 5 multiplied by 81 multiplied by -2 is going to be -810 x to the fourth. And
Yes.
5 times 81 times -2. You see I set it out like that? You can't go wrong. And then now, 27 times 10 times 4 is going to be equals to 1080. So this is going to be plus 1080 x to the third.
Sir, wait a second. Where you get 810 again?
5 times 81 times -2.
Yes, sir.
Some of that I get.
I get that, sir.
So you leave the powers. The power should go back
I'm just multiplying the numbers.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just multiplying the numbers.
Okay,
Sir,
I get it.
wait.
The
I think
you're
people
losing
can get mixed up. Like, say, two have a positive 5 there. I think people can get mixed up and put back a plus sign with the 810. Even though the calculator actually give you a negative.
Yeah, man. So yeah, because I'm multiplying by -2.
Yeah, no, but sir, look what me I say. Next thing you know, me already put a plus sign, and
No
then
problem.
me go work out this. Maybe I'm gonna put in a bracket.
Yeah. Oh goodness, you know you're learning. Very nice.
You're
Just
there.
put it.
Think them a star.
Very nice. Very nice. All right. Plus 10. All right. So let me do it like how Jody's asking.
Go back. I didn't hear the 181.
Get the negative, the minus sign, you know.
Yes, that me just said I got asked, sir.
Or you get the what?
But not
Oh,
even
when do you put, like, when do you remember, like, I don't know, how do you put the negative, when to put the negative and when to put the positive?
All right. Come. Let's start again. Watch me. Don't blink. In your calculator, it's going to be 1 times 243 times 1. You're going to get 243, and you're putting back your x to the fifth. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then the next term, you're going to put 5 times 81 times -2 until what you get.
$810.
Aunt.
Wait there. Why may I get 400? Let me
Yeah,
do that
yeah,
again.
me
Wait,
get
sir.
I
407,
get a
but
negative.
No,
It's
because you
110,
know what
sir.
are the wrong.
You
The
put
Oh, I
name
get a
was
sign
negative.
before the
get
2.
negative 810.
And
Cause you
that's
have to
correct. That's not correct.
hold on, I never, my calculator was giving me a
Sir,
negative.
wait, sir. 5 times 81
Times -2.
times -2.
Times
All right.
negative.
Guess what
Oh,
now?
yeah, that's what I get. That's what I got.
All right. So watch me now. On your calculators, you will see a plus and minus sign at the bottom of it. When you want a negative number, you just press the plus or minus sign before you press a number to give you the negative number.
And that me the sir, I'm gonna get that. Hold on. 5 times
Sir, me
81.
just press the negative and then the 2. Me not see no plus and minus.
What I get.
5 times 81.
5 times 81
Sir,
times
but I get
Sir, me not get the negative part and something there.
put
put 5 times 81. Press times again.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yeah, you get 200 and 403.
Put your negative. No, man. Put your -2 in brackets. So when time you do the 5 times 81 times, put the -2 in a bracket and then do it.
Oh. Oh, me get it now. Yeah, thank you.
So, is everybody okay?
Yes, sir. Okay on my side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, I get a negative, sir.
You tell me. Do you have a calculator with you?
No, sir.
Then Ome will tell you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. So you need to work with your calculator so I can show you guys. Let me say this one more time. You need to have your calculators in class. I'm going to tell you why. I'm actually deliberately, you notice I'm silent just now because I want you to be able to discover how your calculator operates. I will ask you at times what brand calculator you're using, what model calculator you're using. So some people say, sir, I'm using a Casio. I said, okay, what is a model? And you say, sir, FX115 or FX82 MS or whatever the situation is. And then I can say, okay, fine. Look to the top left, you will see the ABC button. Look to the bottom, you see this, or look somewhere else, you see that. But you don't need to know where to find the buttons on your calculators, or else you're going to go into the exam and you're not going to know how to manipulate or to use your calculator. So please, I'm going to ask you to get a calculator. So when you get a calculator, just come back to me and I can show you how to do this. All right. Okay. So we know we are seeing this 810 x to the fourth. Let us move on to the other one, because the question is being asked, sir, how you know is a positive? Okay, fine. Let us check it. 10. And what you can do is, 10 multiplied by 27 multiplied by positive 4. And tell me what you get.
1080, sir.
Good job. And then now, you're going to multiply 10 by 9 times negative 8.
Sir, I get negative 720.
That me
I
get
got
2.
that too, sir.
That me get 2.
Sir, but you put plus, so mine about the plus and write negative 72.
Thank you, please.
120.
Yes, my love. Negative 720. Negative 720 x to the second power. And then now, 5 times 3 times 16 equals?
Now do the next one. Then I for the
Okay.
10 times 9 times negative. That was the
40, sir.
40.
Yeah, that's what we just did a while ago.
Oh, sorry, sir.
240.
And then the last one now is going to be just
Yeah,
negative
first
32.
ball.
Negative 32.
So look at what happens now. I'm going to show you. So some people were saying, then sir, we know when again get a negative. All right. You see, once you have a negative sign in the middle, right? So your answers will alternate with the negative signs. It's just started plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. They will alternate. They will alternate. If you have 3x plus 2, say everything will be plus, 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 plus. But once it is that you have a sign, it will alternate, and it depends on which what is A and what is B, because sometimes it can end up starting with a negative 1 and then a positive, but nonetheless they will alternate. How I feel?
Sir, it is finished right there, right?
Done.
Okay.
How I feel?
Sir,
Sir.
I will when we're done.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I give
Feel
one
like we
more?
learned something tonight.
Good job.
They were not like the last class. I tell you like.
All right. So how we know when to finish? Me not pay you no
Yeah.
man. How we know when to finish?
Yes, sir.
When we have something written in something like this in descending powers of x, like this. And I'll come back to that descending powers business because I need to move into that shortly. So when you have our terms written in without your parentheses, without your brackets, and you have x to the fifth, then x to the fourth, then x to the third, then x that, and then
Yes,
this.
from the powers are different. Then we can do we can
No, but you see, once you evaluate, no man, put it this way.
We are count down from 5.
Yeah, and once you,
Five, four, three, two, one.
and once you evaluate right here, say no, it done. It can't go any further because you it's just one x to the fifth, So you don't have anything to add it to.
Right.
It's only 1x to the fourth, you can't add it to nothing else. It's only 1x to the third, can't add it nowhere else.
Yes,
It's
I
only
know.
1x, yeah.
So what if you did have an x raised to the fifth power? We could have
You just add it to it.
or minus it or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you're not going to get it like that though. You're just going to get individual terms. So these are all individual terms.
Right.
Yeah. How did that? All right. I'm going to give you expand 5x minus 3 raised to the fourth power. Using Pascal's triangle. All right, don't fail me now. I am leaving that on screen. And I want you to make that attempt for me. I'm giving you, matter of fact, I'm timing it. I'm giving you 6 minutes.
Sure, finish.
Oh, no.
Sir, the timer did always up there, just put up there.
There's always up there. Time up. Are you finished?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, please.
Yes, sir.
Ah, cool. Okay, Tristan, I'm seeing your response to my homework question, and you are correct.
Sir,
So
Sir,
finish.
next
sir,
job.
I'd love to do it for you, sir, or tell you.
Sure, it's just true. Me know you can't write. Me come make it right on the screen, but I just tell me to write and
Sir,
I
you
can.
can't give me access.
But then you have to
I
write peer crop,
read out the
a peer
map.
crop to you, a peer crop to you go write on something.
No, sir, I'm right the like you know.
Right, then cool. You're going to be the class going to be the true judge of that. All right, you have access now. Go ahead.
All right. But me looking for my cause me looking for my card right here.
No problem. Go on, do it, man.
Sir, wait there. Took out the pens. Oh, see. Sir, wait, one second. That's not right. Catch one on the pens like you know, sir. All right. Good try. Sir, I'm gonna just talk there, right? Must me not know what I want to get here. No,
No,
what?
sir, she get it.
Sir, I'm gonna try to meet you here.
Oh, goodness.
This even not work out the right way.
Is that too much right?
All right. So I have the first one I took the coefficient. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. I'm gonna circle the 4 because they work with the second one.
No, ma'am, it's starting the one.
Starting with yeah, basically both. Yeah.
Too much right? Go ahead.
All right, sir. So 1 bracket 5x to the 4th power bracket -3 to the 0 power.
Hold on. Is that a plus or a bracket? Or bracket?
Just a bracket, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Plus 4
Mm-hmm.
bracket 5x to the 3rd power
Mm-hmm.
bracket -3 bracket well to the 1 power.
I don't understand. My pen is just not. Jeez.
You see it, sir?
I don't know.
You see it?
It's just from the other day. The pen that's not. It's just not going. -3 to the first power. Okay. Watch here again.
Alright, primary is -3 to the, yes, plus 3 bracket 5x to the 2nd power
You said +3.
Yes, sir.
Is she correct?
No, sir, it's
No,
6.
sir.
No, sir.
Sir, 6.
6.
Oh, what you? Mighty God, sir. That means everything I'm doing wrong. What do
And
that?
everything from there, so.
Everything.
Well, everything well. But I
Everything's gonna be
basically
incorrect.
everything that
Bracket 5x
my somebody ever gonna take it on.
to the 2 power, second power.
So they have to pay the money insurance.
Continue.
-3 to the 2 power in
Second
bracket.
power.
Plus
+4.
4,
5x
5x to the first power. Bracket.
I'm coming here. Hold on. This pen.
The next one going to be bracket -3 to the 1.
3 to the fourth power.
Third power.
Plus 5x.
Hold on. The
Sure, that can be
3.
4 power.
Is it the 3 to the third?
Okay.
Guys, it's gonna be 5.
All right.
Yeah.
Very good. Wow. Wow. Upper student them this. Then
1, 5x
5.
in bracket to 0 power. -3 in bracket to the 4th
5
power.
to the 4 power, yeah.
excellent. So what just happened a while ago? Somebody said 4. I heard it, but I decided I was gonna write it.
Yes, sir. It was me. I see my arrow.
Yeah, man. No problem, man. I love it. This is where we're supposed to make our errors in class. And I wrote it, and then I stopped. I want somebody to say, what? Yeah, man, this is very nice. Very nice, guys. All right, come. What's the next step?
All right, the calculation, I think. So I have 1 bracket 625.
So make the calculation. Say it.
Oh, the all right, somebody pick it up.
625x to the 4th power.
No, just say
The calculation she said we could say. So it's
Yeah,
5.
you see,
It's
right,
5
right.
multiplied by 4, the 4 power, or the V something that Sir said.
5 to the 4th power.
625.
Yeah, we get that one there. You can say other part, please.
Sir, I don't know why I have
Sir, we
everything
can't tell you.
minus.
-1500x to the 3rd power.
No, man, don't do it like that. What I want you to do
4
is
plus
+4
plus 4 bracket 125x raised to the third power bracket minus 3
Good. I want you to do it like
plus 6
25
x raised to the second power.
second power.
that.
Bracket minus
9.
3.
Sorry, 9
9. Good. Not -3, but 9. Good.
9.
plus 4 open bracket 5x raised to the
No, in the
first.
rest no. We're not gonna put that.
So we can put the 1.
Okay. Yeah, you can, but it don't
And
make a
then
difference. Yeah.
it's gonna be -27 plus 1, and I put 1 in brackets, and I put 81.
Good job. Good job. All right, now come now. Fabian, you can run off a big number them now for me, Fabian.
No calculator, sir.
So would you tell me about yes,
Sir, I
please.
have an issue with one thing that she said.
What issue you
So,
have?
we get negative.
Sir, why is it negative
We get
27?
negative 27. Yeah, not 81, sir.
It's not supposed to be negative.
It has to be negative because -3 times -3 is +9 times -3 is gonna give you a -27.
Correct.
Oh, yes, sir. She bright. That's true.
None
Yeah.
of that, Mela say. You look like Storm have to come every time because girl just a roll it off. So like she say, oh, you not talk about -3 times -3 is +9 times a negative is -27. Me want Storm come the day when you are do your exam because you're gonna get A plus plus.
Sir, you know what my mistake?
Mm.
If I write the X them on it.
Okay, yeah, man. So you see, so what is happening now? We are seeing our shortfalls as we do the questions, and I'm gonna pause right here. I'm gonna pause right here, and I'm gonna ask you a question. I'm gonna take no more than 3 minutes, and I want you to just respond to me quickly so I can go back. Um, I'm very pleased with what Mo said a while ago in terms of explaining to the class why it is that she got -27. Her explanation was on point. And then the other students was like, yes, man, she right. We see it now, sir. And other comments coming in from the class forces me now to pause to ask you this question. A question was asked of us last week when we had the UCJ's visit for the mid-cycle of our institutional accreditation. And pretty much you're asking, who evaluates the online sessions? And I said to them, I indicated that I'll take that question. And I said to them that ever so often in my online classes, I will stop and ask the students to critique how it is that I'm teaching, what it is that I'm doing, and I am grown enough to take those comments. Because what the comments will do is to help me to become a better teacher and to help me to present to the class. I'm going to pause and ask you one question. Are you learning when I teach you online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. Because I am seeing where you guys are learning. No, real talk. I mean, I know nothing beats the traditional face-to-face, but what I try to do when I come to this session is sick or no sick. I don't bring my issues and I fight through them because I recognize quite a number of my students that come to me don't like the math. So I have to present the math to them in a manner that they can or that you can appreciate it. Yes, Miss Jody and Miss Anne-Marie said, Sir, nobody upload me up in no man, right? Because there are going to be times when Sir going to rub on out. But guess what? It doesn't mean that Sir don't have your best interest at heart. Sir wants the best for every one of you. And I keep saying, I give you respect first. The only thing I ask for you in return is to give the respect. So my closing remark on this, students, is whenever you come to class, be it that you're not, there's a student who says to me, sir, never came to this week Tuesday's class. Not feeling well, but I know you're moving on and I know I'm missing, but I'm gonna come. I said, okay, come in. I'm happy that you are here. When I'm not well, I also come here. Miss Priscilla, Miss Anne-Marie, them fast, them know them teaching us. When teacher starts, them say, sir, you don't sound good. Right? And this is just because of how the interaction in the class. So you know how I normally sound. So if there's going to be something that is off, you know that something is wrong. Right? So all I'm asking of you students is let us just keep the conversation open. You're not understanding something, just say to me, sir, hold on there. Me not catch this. Don't leave my class with you not understanding anything. Because the truth is, some of you don't have nobody in the yard when they can ask for help. And then again, have it there. And today's Thursday, and I forgot wait until next week, Tuesday. Storm come, the full brunt of the storm come Sunday, Monday. So chances are by Tuesday, someone will not have no light and no internet. So that means that not until Thursday next week before we can unravel the misunderstanding. So talk to me in a class. And come ready. Always turn up for
Sometimes I'm afraid
class.
with Freddie, like myself.
No. Ask a question. If me
Sometimes I
forgot.
like ask it too much, man, sir. Kind of
Priscilla,
feel like my brain, like
Priscilla,
my heart to learn.
Priscilla, I that pay me my money a month in time. Ask. Ask the question. Make me tell you, say. Priscilla, talk to me outside of class. No, man. I'm here to ask. You pay school fee. Nobody can tell you, say, she can't ask questions, I will finish them for you. No, man. I want all of you to ask me questions. All right. But big up in yourself, though. You guys are doing well. All right, let's go.
Sir, before you move on,
Yeah, man.
I get it to know.
Mm-hmm. Good.
But when you tell me, say, the even number, when a negative number in the bracket is raised to an even power,
Mm-hmm.
it's supposed to be positive, right?
Good job.
Okay. Think me did do something wrong with this, so that's
Good
fine.
job. I was holding my breath, Brit, because I was hoping that you don't say negative. I was like, to Jesus, make sure you say the right thing. All right, let's go. Miss Britley.
Mr. Shan, don't call me out. Please. Mr. Shan, let that stay where it needs to remain.
Miss Britley, if I love you one more time, right? Don't play with me. You understand? Don't play with me. Okay. Make sure say you them open and you know and on a sheet and you learn. Okay. You are too good?
I'm fine, sir.
All right,
I'm
good, good, good.
fine. I understand now.
Okay, big up yourself. All right, easy, easy. All right, cool, Brit. All right, let's go. So 1 times 625 x to the fourth times 1 is simply 625 x to the fourth. All right, no. When I multiply 4, when I multiply 4 by negative 3 by 125, I'm going to get what?
Minus
Negative 1,500 x to the third power.
Excellent. When I
Mhm.
multiply 6 by 9 by 25, what do I get?
1,350 x to the second power.
2754.
Minus 540 x
X.
Plus 8 to 1.
Yes.
So you know me notice
Mm-hmm.
the powers them me don't know how to explain it.
I can tell.
But
Let me write it for you.
what me I say yeah.
They descend.
There you go. Yeah.
They said the one Jada can spell to you know. Blow out Jada spell a beat champion. Yeah, they descend. Very good. No.
Sir, mom, sticky.
What about the business? um, you know, when you go to school, you know, anybody get them little sticky, they don't say them not so bright. When you get one big sticky from the bottom of your book to the top, you know, say well bright.
You can little sticky, I
Is
want
it-
half
yeah.
mark that.
Half mark. The things that we used to do when we were growing up. My gosh, I'm telling you. All right, guys. I'm happy that you're feeling a little bit more comfortable with this. What I want to do now, 8:32 Rockstone. Time flies when you're
Sir,
having
the
fun.
issue
I have
is,
one more
see, you
question.
don't explain. You say if you explained it like I was in preschool, you don't want to do little school, you know. But for somebody like me, you have to start from a little school, and for me to get it, I understand now because you gave me more explanation than last class.
True, true.
Say what you mean, Abe? I don't like that for us. Class, let me tell you. I emailed Cersei and I tell him so I'm going to drop his class because I can't do this no more. Mm-mm. I couldn't do it last class. That was my 13th reason.
No, well, guess what? No, tell them my response to you. No, tell them don't stop it. Don't stop it. Stop it right there. Tell them my response to you. See, the cat get her tongue now. She can't talk.
Sir,
Yes, please.
you have the working out for last class, the last
Oh
question.
no, I don't. So give me the last question. Let me do that one before I was actually. Let me just find my 1 minute, 1 minute, please.
Okay.
Right. All right. So I'm happy now that you are all seeing it. Give me the homework question, please. Let me run through that for you.
So it's
Sure.
2x plus
Mhm.
3y to the third power.
All right. So my coefficients are COEFFICIEN. Coefficients are
1, 3,
1.
3, 1.
Good job. So this is 1 times 2x raised to the third power, 3y to the 0 power, plus 3 times 2x to the second power, 3y to the first power, plus 3 times 2x to the first power, 3y to the second power, come on, plus 1 times 2x to the 0 power, 3y to the third power. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please note, 0 plus 3 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 0 plus 3 is 3. So the overall power must be the same. And of course, we're using a 1, 3, 3, 1. All right. 2, this is 1 times 8. Oh, come on. 8x cubed times 1 plus 3 times 4x squared times 3y plus 3 times 2x times 9y squared plus 1 times 1 times 27y cubed. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so also going through the something in a sequential manner, as someone get to know. All right? 1 times 8 is 8 times 1 is 8. So this is 8x cubed. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 36x squared y.
Sir, other part them I never really I get. But me
Yeah,
see
man.
what I go
3
now.
times 4 is 12 times 3 is 36. And then you can write back the x squared y. Because remember, the overall power is supposed to still be, in this case, supposed to still be 3.
Sir, so
So
if you
1 is at
jump,
y, but it's not there, but it's there.
Yeah, one is there.
Okay.
sir, so if you start the first part and jump to the final answer and leave out the second part, you get marked down for it.
Absolutely.
So you have to have the one with the 8x to the cube.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And then now, what is 2 times 9? 18. What is 18 times 3?
54.
4.
Xy squared plus 27y cubed. Answer. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Good
Yes,
job.
sir.
Good job.
Let me take a picture of this.
I'm pleased. Very pleased. Is one thing. Go
More
ahead.
confident now, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And as you should. As you should. As you should. All right. So I have done Pascals with you. I've done Pascals with you. Yes, I can give you some additional questions on it, but in the interest of time, I need to move into another aspect of what it is that we are doing here. Interesting, let me just point something out. Do you recognize that I'm in descending powers of x in this question?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
So what that mean?
Now go down.
Yeah, but we mean power of x. X, x, y, x. Me not understand what you mean, sir.
X cube, then x squared,
Oh,
then x to the 0. So I'm descending my powers of x.
oh yes, sir.
But what can I say about the y's now, guys?
Ascending.
Yeah.
Ascending. Why, sir? Is it because we start with X?
No, I'm tell you why. Because of the coefficient, sir.
Yeah, 1. That anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Sir, that's why.
Yeah. So you notice in the first term, y is 0.
Yeah.
In the second term it's 1. In the third term it's 2, and then it's 3.
Yeah.
So it is ascending. So the y value is going up. That's what it means. And the x value is going down. So this is going up, and this one is going down.
Sir, you're not going to put up on chart.
Sometimes they do. Sometimes they ask you to expand. In ascend, write your answer in ascending powers of x. But I'm going to tell you a trick. You see, all of what we just do here, so do it first. Because writing in ascending powers of x will just give you 1 mark. Don't be confused with that part. Go ahead and do your question as it is. And then now, when you reach your final answer now, you can fix up your final answer. So you can write it still doing it. You can do everything right you're saying now. But then you can write another thing to say. Okay. What if the question said to you to write your answer in write your answer in I'm giving an extended question. If they said to you, write your answer in ascending powers of x, so you do the question, but when you finish the question now, the question is 7 marks. You already get 6 marks. You already get 6 marks, you're saying no. But knowing if you get the other mark by following their instruction, they said write in ascending powers of x. So, but hold on, you know. The x values are go down. The x values are descending. The man they want ascending, watch ascending. 27y cube plus 54xy squared plus 36x squared y plus 8x cubed. Is that now ascending powers of x?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good to go. Answer.
Oh, so just write it back way, sir.
You see me, so. So
Flip the script.
if they ask you for ascending, you just do that. Descending. So you're going to do the question in the normal way, you know. And then for the final answer, fix it up. But don't worry about it just yet. I will give you questions. I just want to, in these last 18 minutes, just to look at the combination notation. All right. And I want to introduce you to factorials. Look on your calculator for me, please, and see if you can identify an exclamation sign.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, may I want to have
Sir,
X beside
man,
it?
beside X.
Sir, I don't.
Beside the X,
Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
explanation sign. Oh, wait there.
You see it at this exclamation.
Oh, yes.
Sir,
But it have X to the
to the
negative, to the
one.
negative one power.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, we have to know we calculate.
Right. Now, I want all of you to press 5 and then press the exclamation sign.
120.
A 0.2 me get.
No, sir. That the calculator did not go to.
Sir, me get 0.22.
Yes, I press 5 and then press that.
Mm-hmm.
But it give me negative 5
Okay,
to
120.
okay, no 120.
Clear your calculator for me, please.
Sir?
Clear your calculator. Clear it.
Sir, 120 is supposed to get?
Supposed to get 120, yeah.
Sir,
No, sir, on some calculator, first shift. You select the exclamation.
sir.
So press shift.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
Press
all right.
5 and then shift or shift.
5 shift and then the X.
5 shift X. Oh, me get it now.
Sir.
Thank you.
Yes, please go ahead.
Was just checking. What's the recommended calculator to use?
It's not a recommended calculator. Now, if you ask me that question, I'm going to be very biased. I'm going to tell you straight up. I'm going to be biased. And if you want my biasness, I can tell you.
Yes.
I love a Casio.
Okay.
I just love a
Just
Casio.
wanted to know.
And if you're
Because
buying a
none of
Casio,
what you're talking about, I don't have. That's why I wanted to know.
And if you're buying a Casio, it would be good if you could get a Casio 115 ES.
I think me go buy that, you know.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
No problem. All right. Let me show you how they got 120. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's what.
Oh, they're counting down.
Yeah. So 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Let's just check it. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. 120 times 1 is 120. Evaluate for me, please. 3 factorial.
Sir, so like, do you have a question or would I use that?
6.
6. Okay, very good. So give you a question like what we use. Okay, no problem.
Sir, no water.
No, you asked for it. You asked for it, so you have to get it. So 5 factorial. 5 factorial
Sir.
divided by 5 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial.
Sir, give it 2 minutes.
No problem. I'm going to time you as a matter of fact.
Sir, I get error.
Calculator.
Error, sir, error.
Calculator not good.
Sir, Oh, so we must put the hold on, let me do it again.
Sir, can I tell you my answer?
Yeah.
360.
No, sir. Too much.
Oh,
All right, let me tell you what
10,
you do.
sir.
Huh?
Sir,
No,
me
sir,
get
wait,
10.
sir,
I
wait,
get
let
10.
me try it, please.
Got through, Priscilla.
Sir, is it 10?
Yes,
Sir, I
Brit.
get 10.
Sir, wait, no, not talk the answer yet.
We not do nothing. We can't tell you the answer, but you have to go get it on your calculator. The answer 10. So make sure when you do you something, you get 10. We're not sure you will work it. Just get you something very good, guys.
I know.
Sir, 10 me get 2.
Good job.
You put
Brickley,
it
what you
over,
get?
or you do it, or you put the
Yeah,
5 over the.
all right, so I will step back and have your classmates explain how it is that they did it.
Yeah, or you do it on the calculator, because I've been trying, it's not working. I put the 5 and I put the factorial.
So you give me the answer a while ago, Priscilla?
Let me give you it, sir. Me get error.
Oh.
But I'm trying to do it on the, how do you put the
No, I
5
never use my
over the.
calculator.
Sir, I get the 10s.
sir, so why me I get 360 continuously?
Me know, sir, because of the working out before, me know say 5 factorial is 120. So me just write back that. Then
I just
me put the open bracket 5 minus 3 close bracket and put the factorial and me get 2. So me put on the 2 and then me know say the 3 factorial is 6. So then we just work it out.
Oh, so 12 into 120, 10 times. Sir, but why whenever me never let them do it like this?
Why
Like,
add the 2 and the 6? You're supposed to multiply it?
yes, because when you do one sign, there is multiplication.
That's what make it 15. Alright, a 10.
See, I see.
Sir, but see how I get the 10 now. Same like how the girl explained.
Sir.
Sir, do get kick off or something? Why we not hear from sir?
get time for sir. Give me something else.
No, sir, because so you're very senior teacher. Mute again and I talk out. Ah, Jesus, help me, Lord. So, Mo, I know you may talk to you no more. Jesus, and Father. So I was saying to you, Mo, that she's where she's slick. Mo remind me of one of my siblings. So wait until I go to bed, and then she'll come and call me and ask me, can I have some money, please? And through me want to sleep, me say, yeah, man, say the wallet there, so take the money, take it and go on. And when I wake up now, I say, wait. She said, but he said, I must take it. I said, you can't ask me them things when me asleep. You're almost smart. Mo said, sir, don't work out 5 factorial already and him get 120. Me now work it out again. All me work out was a 5 minus 3 factorial because him also work out 3 factorial and get 6. She's smarter than me, But guess what? What she's doing is working smart and not hard. But let me show you now. I'm very good. I'm proud of you. Very good. Let me show you now how we're going to do all of this one time on your calculator. So as Mo did, you're going to press 5 factorial. And you're going to get the 120. Then you're going to open bracket. You're going to press 5 minus 3, close bracket, and then factorial, and then you'll get your 2. And then we have your 3 factorial, and then you can get your 6. And then you can set it up in the same way like what Mo did. Now, some of your calculators come in what we call natural display. Does anyone have a calculator now in class with that says natural display calculator?
We have natural VPOM, something like that.
Natural who?
VPOM. It's the initial.
What brand calculator are you using?
Casio, the FX82 Ace.
Okay. You have a trackball in the a gray button in the middle of the calculator, left, right, up, down.
Yeah, it's a replay
That's
button.
the replay button.
The replay, good. Do you have an ABC sign on your calculator, or do you have
Yes, I have a ABC sign.
Yeah, ABS. ABS. It's a ABS.
the ABS? Okay. All right. So it's not fully natural display. All right. Let us try it this way. All of you, come. Let's go. 5 factorial. Press the ABC button.
Yeah.
Open bracket. 5 minus 3 close bracket. Press the factorial sign.
Yeah.
Press your multiplication button. 3 factorial equal.
Bop. Sir, but at 360 make it.
Me tell you, say that calculator is not good. Anybody
Sir,
got the 10
same
hour?
like me. Come here tell you say that me I get that I hit me get to sir.
At 360 make it.
360 me get one exact thing here.
Sir, do it over
Why
again.
sir, me do it little.
Anybody got 10?
Yeah.
Based on my algorithm just now, anybody got 10?
No sir, 360.
360 make it.
All right, guess what? Little. Your calculators, and which is why the person asked me just now, sir, what brand calculator? And I'm saying the Casio FX ES 115 ES is a natural display calculator. So you just put the 5 factorial in the numerator, and then you use the replay button and go down in the denominator and you put a 5 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial, boom, it gives you your answer one shot. So I much rather prefer the natural display calculators. For you can use it for business calculus, you can use it for business statistics, you can move up to operations research and use it as well. All right. So let us forget about that algorithm and just use it little like this, so it can always get our answer. All right. Now, my final thing that I'm going to show you on this is all of that is going to be the same thing as 5. That don't write so good. 5 choose 3. That's the same thing as 5 choose 3. Now look on your calculator and see if you see a C and a P. Whoa.
Yeah, I don't see that.
A NCR and a NPR. You should have it.
Sir, I see,
Sir, that you should have said, sir, yeah, I see it.
I see NCR.
What about the rest of you?
Oh, me guess just get 10. You right, sir?
That you must get. So look for the NCR button, then again press 5, NCR 3, and tell me what to get.
Yeah, that's what I get, 10.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir, I'm just finding my NCR button.
Press 5, NCR, and then press 3 and tell me what you get.
I get 10 now. But my NCR N pair too, the N pair for the multiplication sign.
So that means you have to press the shift button to get it, right?
Yes, sir.
And that's why I'm saying that you have to get your calculator from now so that we can work with the calculator in class so we know where to find the buttons and thing and
Just how to
reactivate.
use it, sir. For real.
So what I have done.
Sir, my question is,
Mm-hmm.
sir,
I'm hearing you. Go ahead.
I understand what you're saying, but which profession use this type of maths? Serious question.
Sim, I'll get in trouble, you. Sim Simmer, who's got the key to the bimmer? Who am I? When you hear the new no, you hear the new remix of it?
No.
Say God no.
God no.
Serious.
Okay, so that means it's only me alone? No man.
Yeah.
I think somebody interfere with AI and ask them to do the Beanie song. And it is rather very nice. I don't believe in all of the words in it. Let me just say it to you. But the first part I just love how it sounds. So if you research it, you can do AI
Mere
remix.
foolishness, yes.
Yeah. But Sim, the truth of the matter is there are so many professions out there requiring this high level thinking of mathematics.
So it's basically the reasoning then.
Is the reasoning behind all of what it is that we're doing.
Okay.
You can get some figures for you to analyze, data for you to analyze. And you're sitting there and you're analyzing the data and you can internalize what this data is saying. You can look at it and can say, well, the sales increase for the last 3 months. But for this month, there is a decrease. And or the decrease could possibly be because Hurricane Melissa was coming and we had to close the stores early. So therefore we didn't make as much money. Boom, you have your explanation. And next month we're going to see the data and we're going to say what this mean. But you are reading the data and you are able to analyze the data and give a plausible explanation as to why there is a decrease at the end of October, month end, as a matter of fact, when sales supposed to go up, sales declined. And then no, the manager can come and say, what are you doing? I expect to make X amount of money. Boss lady, boss sir, relax yourself. Remember we had Hurricane Melissa, the closed schools, so we couldn't transport the biscuit them go to the schools to sell because the Ministry of Education closed all schools. All right? Matter of fact, them closed school Thursday. It don't make sense them open school Friday because at that time the hurricane's supposed to come. And sir, I can't even tell you what's going to happen Monday because the place may mash up and school still can't open Monday and not until Wednesday before school open. So Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days of sale was going to lose. And he may say, oh yes, it's true. So what it does, it causes you to have a higher level of thinking and reasoning. So not only with math, but you can get a scenario at the workplace and you just reason it out. Case in point, I was in a group pretty recently with some other nationals, Zimbabwean, Ugandan, Nigerian, and our time zones are different. So we are trying to find a common time for us to meet, and everybody's saying, let us meet at this time. I said, no, the time that you're asking us to meet is like midnight here in Jamaica. And it's kind of unfair for you to ask me to go to bed and to wake up to participate in an activity at midnight. And one of the guys was very rude and, at your level and so forth and so on. And I could have blasted him. Boy don't know me. I could have blasted him. And I said, but why? And I just said to him, I said, I'm going to be the bigger person and I'm not going to respond to you. And I'm going to hope that when we meet for our group, my interaction with you will be a little bit more pleasant than this one here. And so said, so done. Right about now, I am that person's go-to and he's my go-to, right? So what am I saying, Sim up? The level of reasoning that you come on, once it is that you know how to do math, you know how to solve problems, you don't go to toe with people. So math for me takes me throughout life. The principles that come with it. You can't find a solution to something, you put it down, you go back to it and you try and try and try until you find a solution. So yes, a little later on in life, and all of what we're doing here, wrapping up, all of what we're doing here is leading up to some other courses now where you can do some optimization. What do I mean by optimization? When you move on to business calculus, you're going to get some business math. So one of the things you will do in it is say that you're selling two products, an Android and an iPhone, Apple, Android and Apple, and you have those two variables, multivariable functions, and you have those two variables, and then now from that you are supposed to maximize your profit. And I may not teach you business calculus, but the students that I teach there, we show them how to maximize their profit. So you are in an organization and you can go ahead and you can calculate your maximum profit, because nobody goes into a business to operate at a loss. And you can calculate your maximum profit and tell them what it is. This is what the big man, them at GM man and Toyota and Nissan and them something. Them say, oh, you're the plan. Purchasing manager, sir. Purchasing manager, ma'am. I need to make $1 billion in the first quarter. How can I do it? And you have to go say, oh, we have to go make X amount of this car. This is our best selling car. So we need to make more of this or we need to make more of that. It is a mathematics. All right. So big up yourselves. I am going to be trying to touch base with you. You know, oh yes. So after pre-calculus, you're going to be doing business calculus and business statistics, and those will end your math courses for the lower level. And in year 3, you're going to be doing a course called operations research. And again, no, that is business mathematics. That will tell you how to run your business. Once you can do operations research, you don't need nobody to run your business for you. You can set up your own business, you can run your business, and you can make sure your business run optimally. All right. So yeah, man. But we're here to guide you. We're here to guide you. Don't worry about it. We're here to guide you. We're here to let you realize your true potential. It was nice having you. Students, please be safe over the inclement weather, the tropical storm into hurricane Melissa. I will touch base with you at some point in time. If you don't hear from teacher, send teacher an email and make sure the teacher all right. Big up on yourself and please to study. Use this time to go through your stuff.
Sir, the equation me want catch, I'm still not catch at all now, but
Which equation?
we try.
Which equation talking about?
The all right. I'll sort that one out, sir.
No man, just tell me now, just tell me.
Sir, the one that we were doing before this.
I think factorization.
Factorize,
Oh,
yeah,
the factorization. Oh, okay, and that's fine. So just use this time and go through the factorization for me. It's a very good thing that you made mention of it. Yeah, just go through the
But we can't
factorization.
find a question on the internet.
You
We
can't find a question.
find none either.
We can't
All
find
right.
on family
All right.
that if do some
All right.
local
So what
give me a few.
I'm gonna send Britley some questions. What time is it now? 9 o'clock. I'm gonna send Britley some questions, some factorization questions tonight. And
yes, sir.
and
Remember,
matter of fact,
you remember, you know, sir.
no, hold on. I should have where's the chat? The chat is here. I had sent something to my file. I sent Oh Lord Jesus. No, it's photo. It's photo. I'd send something. Not sure. To my. All right, go on. Hold on. It come up. Let me see if I solving exponential equations. Did I send you anything in a document recently on solving exponential equations? Was it you that I sent? No?
No, sir.
I say they just make one top 4 page or something like that.
I gave you a 4-page document.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means I gave it to you already. That talk about exponential equation and show you. So I gave you a question and show you how to work the question in its entirety, right?
I think so.
Okay, yeah. So that's what I wanted to send you. So I don't need to send Brittany anything else because that's what I wanted to send you. So please, just go through that one for me, please. I can maybe drop a 1 or 2 questions following this one, so that because I'm seeing it in my photos, I need to delete it because it's taking up too much space now. I'm seeing where I talk about the exponential equation, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I give you a fifth. I give you a 5th page. No, that was, yeah, I give you a 5th page. Yeah. All right. So you have the document. You already have the document. Just go through it for me, please. And in particular, and then I'll see if I can generate 1 or 2 questions and send off thereafter. All right? Big up yourselves. We'll talk.
Hi, sir. Have a good night and be safe.
You too.
Thank you, sir. Keep safe,
Safe,
everybody.
guys.
Yeah,
Good
man.
night.